This is Lauren Miranda with the Blueprint News Network located in Downers Grove, and you're listening to House Hunting. The month of October indicates the famed spooky season, causing every Halloween enthusiast to spend their waking minutes soaking in the fall spirit and gearing up for October 31st. Many rely on visiting pumpkin patches, carving jack-o'-lanterns, and baking delicious fall treats to get themselves in the Halloween mood. However, there are those who like to take a more sinister approach to the holiday and immerse themselves in the certain aspects of Halloween that are responsible for its frightening reputation. And the main way to engross oneself in this ghoulish spirit is by visiting a haunted house. If your idea of Halloween fun is wandering down dark, twisting corridors adorned with grotesque decor, while horrific figures leap out and petrify you at every turn, then this podcast is for you. Today, we are going to give you a rundown on some of the best haunted houses in the area, so you can decide where exactly you want to spend your time and money being terrified this Halloween season. The first haunted house you should consider visiting is Hell's Gate in Lockport. The house, hidden deep in the woods and accessible through a bus ride provided by haunted house staff, is set up to be a multi-level mansion filled with giant slides, secret passageways, and distorted decor adorning the house's different rooms. Hell's Gate was awarded #1 haunted house in Illinois by Haunted Illinois and The Scare Factor, and rated one of the world's top 13 scariest haunted houses by Haunt World for their 2021 season. So it'll be interesting to see the scare factors added this year to maintain their award-winning status. And new for this season, the award-winning and top-rated Statesville Haunted House is joining forces with Hell's Gate. The haunted prisoners from Statesville are taking up residence with the house staff of the Hell's Gate Mansion, which will combine the two award-winning staff at one location. Junior Hannah Galvin, who attended both Hell's Gate and Statesville Haunted Prison during their 2021 season, is looking forward to seeing the two houses join forces for an unforgettably frightening experience.
I went to Hell's Gate and Statesville last year. Both were very scary. The Statesville actors were really good. They were both really good haunted houses, so I'm really excited to see them combining. I think it will be really scary and fun.
General admission tickets start at $35, and the haunted house runs until Saturday, November 5th. The next haunted house on our list is Disturbia in Downers Grove. The house, taking close to 19 minutes to walk through, features twisting hallways, screeching special effect noises, and of course, terrifying creatures at every turn. But one of the main draws is the line outside before you even enter the haunted house. You are met with colorful strobe lights, a DJ, and charismatic monsters looking to both scare and entertain the guests during their wait. The relatively new house has already been rated the #1 haunted house in Illinois by both Halloween Blast and Thrillist for its 2021 season, and continues to up the ante each year. Junior Aaron Davis has never been to Disturbia, but plans to go this year after hearing such great reviews.
I've never been to Disturbia, but all my friends said it's super scary, and I'm excited to go this year and check it out.
General admission tickets start at $32.99, and the house runs until Saturday, November 5th. Another haunted house you should seriously consider attending is Massacre in Montgomery, Illinois, near Naperville and Aurora. This haunted house, featured in the Chicago Tribune, USA Today, and the Huffington Post, delivers truly authentic scares not for the faint of heart. Featuring sickeningly realistic decor, fake elevator rides with truly terrifying monsters, and torturously scary rooms, this attraction is definitely worth checking out. Along with the house, visitors can pay extra for their Mind Trap escape rooms, rated top 10 in America by USA Today. General admission tickets for the haunted house start at $24.99, and the house is open until Saturday, November 5th. The last stop on our list is not just an ordinary haunted house, but an entire event containing 6 haunted houses in one place. And if you love seeking thrills in not only haunted houses, but on roller coasters as well, you should visit Fright Fest at Six Flags Great America in Gurnee. The park offers family-friendly Halloween fun during the day, but transforms into a sinister alternative world after 6 p.m., complete with gruesome full park decorations and monsters roaming free, eager to terrify their guests. The park houses not only its traditional thrill-seeking roller coasters, but 6 different themed haunted houses, including a circus-themed Big Top Terror and Gates of Hell, which takes place in the ruler of Fright Fest, Knox's home. The walking paths throughout the park house the fest's 8 different scare zones, featuring a Forbidden Forest, Henchman Alley, and Demon Lair. The event also features a variety of live entertainment, like the Nightmare Rhythm Machine, which is an immersive drum show, and Love at First Fright, a family-friendly show featuring classic music, singing, and dancing. Single Park Admission tickets plus the Haunted Attractions Pass start at $59.99, and the fest runs through Monday, October 31st. I hope this helped narrow down your haunted house search and give you some truly terrifying ideas about where you want to spend your time this Halloween season. Stay safe out there and don't let the ghouls get to you. This has been Lauren Miranza with the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove, and I'll catch you next year on House Hunting.